Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to add friend on Bereal app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to add friend on your Bereal app, all you need to do is simply tap open the app itself. So once you open the Bereal app, you will end up in this interface. So simply tap on the pulse icon on the left hand side of the corner and simply type in the person you want to add friends with. So if their friend request is already there, then simply tap on the accept button to add them as your friend. However, if they have not sent you a friend request and you want to add them, then simply scroll down to more results and see that which person you want to add and hit on the add button. Once you do this, you can add friends on Bereal. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.